Hello guys, how are you people? So we were doing current affair from 17th July to 27th of July and part 1 is already uploaded. This is the part 2 of same series. So let's start. I have already talked about C.S. Seshadri, a Padma Bhushan and a founder of Chennai Mathematical Institute. Actually, he passed away at the age of 88. So very important question actually. Next is, there is a startup inside Indian Institute of Management, Kozhikode, named Qual5 India Private Limited. This Qual5 India Private Limited has created a band, some sort of band, and that band name is Velli Band. So you can ask, what is the function of this Velli Band? This band helps in implementing social distancing norms. So very important question. Velli Band is created by Indian Institute of Management, Kozhikode. Okay. So let's move ahead. So there is a you might have heard about Khadi and Village Industry Commission. So Khadi and Village Industry Commission has opened the first of its kind footwear training center in Delhi. So KVIC has opened footwear training center in New Delhi. Okay. So next is news is from Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu has proposed to establish a turmeric research institute at Modai Kuruchi, and Modai Kuruchi is in Erode district. So Tamil Nadu government is proposing to establish a turmeric research institute at Erode district. So I hope you have heard about English footballer named Marcus Rashford. So Marcus Rashford have got honorary doctorate degree from University of Manchester, and he is a Manchester United forward player, and this guy is the youngest recipient of doctorate degree. And why he got? Because he has helped many British students during this lockdown period. Okay, I hope you know about what is malware, what is virus. So there is a malware called BlackRock. So if in examination they'll ask what is BlackRock, so BlackRock is an Android malware, and what it do, it target WhatsApp, it target Tinder, it target Twitter, it target Gmail, and even some of the banking apps. It targets even banking apps also. So BlackRock. Okay, very important question. The name is kind of complex, but you need to remember Mariana V. Vardionanish, okay, is a female laureate of 2020 United Nations Nelson Mandela Prize. So 2020 United Nations Nelson Mandela Prize was given to a female named Mariana V. Vardionanish. Okay. And why she got the prize? Because she has been involved in the fight against cancer from some 30 years. And thanks to her work, thousands of children has been cured. Look, this United Nations Nelson Mandela Prize is given to male as well as female. So female Mariana V. Vardionanish has got. In male category, the prize has got by Morisanda Koyate, and he got Nelson Mandela Prize in male category. And what is his work? He is actually an executive director of Inter-African Committee on Harmful Tradition Practices. Dr. Koyate is a leading figure in effort to end violence against Africa, including female genital mutilation. Okay, so you should know chess is actually discovered in India, named as Chaturanga. Okay, and 20th July is International Chess Day. Why it is celebrated? Because on 20th July 1924, World Chess Federation, that is FIDE, F-I-D-E, is established or founded that particular day. Okay, so this is news from Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath on Saturday launched Naveen Rozgar Chhatri Yojana. So Naveen Rozgar Chhatri Yojana is launched by Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. Why this Yojana has been launched? This Yojana has been actually launched for scheduled caste, scheduled caste candidate for their development. Okay. G20 Finance Minister and Central Bank Governor meeting, that is virtual meeting, took place in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia through video conferencing. Nirmala Sitharaman has appeared in this video conferencing, or has participated in this video conferencing. Okay, so Andhra Pradesh government wants to create more district, right? And so they have created a committee to study the modality of creation of new district. Okay, so if in exam they ask which state has created a committee to study the modality for creation of new district, the answer will be Andhra Pradesh. Okay, there is a payment app known as FamePay. It's some sort of payment app or neobank. So this app has started a card known as Fame Card. Fame Card is actually numberless card, and it is created for teenager. Teenager can use this card to make online payment like UPI, Unified Payment Interface, and peer-to-peer transaction. So remember, Fame Card is created by FamePay for teenagers. Okay, Niti Aayog CEO, you must know his name. Amitabh Kant is his name. So what did he say in a conference or in a webinar? That 25% of recycled material should be used in infrastructure project. Okay, so I hope you have heard about this news. European Space Agency and National Aeronautical and Space Administration, that is NASA, launched a solar orbiter mission on 9th Feb 2020, like 6 months back. So this spacecraft completed its first close pass to the sun. So this spacecraft has actually moving towards sun and has reached very close to sun. Okay, in this mid-June, and now this spacecraft has given the photograph of the sun. Okay, this is important question. T. Purushottaman, he is a shrimp farmer from Payanur in Kerala. Payanur is in Kerala. So he got Jagjeevan Ram Innovation Farmer Award. And this Jagjeevan Ram Innovation Farmer Award is instituted by Indian Council of Agriculture Research. So this you should know actually. FIFA World Cup going to happen in 2022 in Qatar, in 2026 in Mexico, Canada and USA, and 2018 it was held in Russia. So it is said that spice of India have lots of property which can boost your immunity. So this spice price export from India has gone up by 23% in dollar term and 34% in rupees term in June. So people are exporting lots of spice because it has property of immune booster. So during COVID-19, it is supposed you are supposed to enhance your immunity, and hence people are from outside India are actually exporting this or importing to their country lots of spice. Okay, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on July 21 announced that his government has approved Mukhyamantri Ghar Ghar Ration Yojana. So now you will get ration at your home. You are not supposed to go at ration shop. So like if you have ration card, you will get ration at your home. Okay, there is a Joram Mega Food Park which was created in Mizoram. So you need to remember, Joram Mega Food Park is created in Mizoram. Okay, you should know, this is very important. Ministry of HRD launched Mano Darpan. So Mano Darpan is launched by Ministry of HRD. Why it is launched? Because this Mano Darpan helps in helps in the counseling of student. What happened during this COVID-19 or lockdown period? Many students are very depressed, so they need counseling. So Mano Darpan will help this Mano Darpan initiative will give counseling to those students who are depressed, and Mano Darpan will also provide assistance to the students, teacher as well as parents. So same thing in Hindi. This is very important. The Hope Probe, which was launched by Saudi Arabia. I wanted to tell you the Hope Probe is launched by this Tanegashima Space Center from Japan. Okay, and next is India's first public EV charging plaza inaugurated in Delhi. So electronic vehicle plaza, charging plaza, India's first, remember, is inaugurated in New Delhi. Laljit Tandon passed away. He was 22nd governor of MP. Okay, researcher from Singapore, the Singapore researcher in Indonesia, they found a cockroach which has 14 legs. Normally cockroach has 8 leg. Okay, T20 is postponed. World Cup T2020 is postponed to 2022, which was supposed to be held in Australia, and which still will held in Australia only. So you know there is a problem between India and China at LAC. So Indian Army was given a drone developed by Defense Research Development Organization. So this drone will help in to surveillance in this border area, and the name of the drone is actually Bharat for surveillance purpose. So let's move. Okay, United States of America list Reliance Jio among clean telcos. Okay, says they are rejecting business with Chinese company like Huawei. So now United States of America has said that they will not do any business with a company like Huawei because they actually steal data of people. Okay, next is Indian Navy ship on Monday conducted a passage exercise, that is PASSEX exercise with United States Navy USS Nimitz carrier strike group near the Andaman Nicobar Island. Okay, so Ministry of Defense has actually signed 557 crore contract with Bharat Earth Mover Limited. And why they have signed this contract? Because they want to procure 1512 mine plow for Indian Army main battle tank T-20. Okay, there is a rare yellow turtle discovered in Odisha. I hope you would have seen this. Okay, next is Union Government Minister has approved the zonal master plan for Bhagirathi eco-sensitive zone notification that stretch from Gomukh to Uttara Kasi, covering area of 4179.59 square kilometer. Okay, SpaceX launches NSS-2 military communication satellite for South Korea. SpaceX launches NSS-2 military communication satellite, and this NSS-2 military communication satellite is of South Korea. Okay, Rajasthan cabinet nod to one stop shop for fast tracking investment. So if you want to invest in Rajasthan, they have created one stop shop for fast tracking investment. Okay, 22nd July is National Mango Day. Remember this fact. And IPL 2020 will held in United Arab Emirates. So guys, I'll stop here and I'll talk about other current affair in next video. Bye bye. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Enjoy.